Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome everyone. Here we have made micro project of subject Basic Power Electronics. In this project, we have made UJT and SCR triggering circuit. This project is made under the guidance of Professor P.S. Badade ma'am. The group members involved in this making of project are Chinmay Kate, Abhishek Atagde, Khalid Nadaf and myself Shantanu Padkale. Now returning towards the project, first of all we will see how to trigger an SCR using UJT. One common application of the UJT is the triggering of other devices such as SCR, TRIAC, etc. The basic element of such a triggering circuit are shown in the figure. The resistor RE is chosen so that the load line determined by RE passes through the device characteristic in the negative resistance region, that is, to the right of the peak point but to the left of the valley point. As shown in the figure, if the load line does not passes in the right of the weak point P, the device cannot turn. In this figure, we can see UJT triggering of an SCR. Now we will see the simulation process of the circuit. First of all, we will add ground to the circuit. Now we will add SCR to the circuit. Now we will add a unijunction diode. Now we will add a capacitor. Now we will add a resistor. Now we will make a pair of the resistor. Now we will place the components in a correct position. Now we will add a wire and connect it to the terminal of the capacitor. Now we will connect the second end of the wire to the resistor and ground. Now we will take another wire and connect it to the resistor and the second terminal of the capacitor. Now we will connect the second terminal of resistor to the base 2 of UJT. Now we will connect the base 1 of UJT to the resistor number 2 and the emitter of the UJT to the second terminal of capacitor. Now we will connect the cathode of the SCR to the base 1 of UJT. Now we will pair the ground and connect it to the SCR. Now we will add a clock to the circuit at register number 1. Now we will set values to the components. The value of resistor number 1 is 2k ohms. Now the value of capacitor is 15 microfarad. Now after applying value, you can run the circuit. Now we'll see the working. When the voltage is applied, the capacitor starts charging through the variable resistance. By varying the resistance value, voltage across the capacitor get varied. Once capacitor voltage is equal to peak value of the UJT, it starts conducting and hence produce a pulse output till the voltage across the capacitor equal to the valley voltage of the UJT. This process repeats and produces a train of pulses at base terminal 1. The pulse output at the base terminal 1 is used to turn on the SCR at predetermined time intervals. Now we'll see applications of UJT. Most common application of UJT is a triggering device for SCR and track. But other UJT applications include sawtooth generator, simple oscillator, phase control, and time circuits. The simplest of all UJT circuit is the relaxation oscillator producing non-sinusoidal waveform. Now we will see application of SCR. SCR has many applications like power control, switching, zero voltage switching, over voltage protection, pulse circuit, and battery charging regulator.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.